How to remove Facebook banner from Instagram profile. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're wanting to remove your Facebook banner from Instagram profile, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up your Instagram into your device and you can tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Now from here at the top right, you should be finding three horizontal lines. You can tap on it to open up your settings and privacy. Now from here, you need to go over to Account Center. Tap on Account Center to open up Account Center. Now from Account Center, you need to head over to sharing across profiles. So you can tap on it and here you should be finding your connected experiences such as Facebook account and everything. So all you gotta do is find your Facebook account here and tap on remove next to it. Confirm your choice by tapping I'm sure, and once you have removed your Facebook account, you have successfully unlinked it from Instagram, including the Facebook banner. So that is it for now. That is how you remove your Facebook banner from Instagram profile. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.